in a smugly what's in the California roll. Zuko, where's Rosie? Where's Rosie?
Yeah.
Where's Rosie? How did you get out? How did she get out? Where's your squeaky toy? Where? How did she get out? Come on, Zuko, over. What are you staring at me for? Am I in the videotape too? Thank you. How did she get out? Ew, no, don't look me in the finger. What's your problem? No, don't follow me. How did you get out? He found the treasure. But there's only one key. How does Rosie get out?
Rosie. Rosie.